Meltdown is a product that is a blend of our 501 bacteria and also with fulvic and amino acids.
28 of the 30 microbes in Meltdown are designed to degrade cellulose, lignin, and chitin, which are the most dominant form of complex carbons.
So not only would I say that it is elite in terms of breaking down and managing stubble digester, but in terms of actual nutrition, recycling nutrients, making and keeping nutrition available, I would say that it doesn't lack in any of those categories as well.
The reason that it's important to utilize is, number one, if you're focused on building that carbon back in your soils. Number two, if you're looking for that increased plantability next year, going into that next year's crop, recycling that residue, breaking down that residue, allowing it to be more functional.
We have those corn stalks out in our field, and we want to be able to break those down and actually utilize that and make it into a food source for our microbes.
It breaks down the stover and degrades it so it's easier on your tires and easier on tillage and planting the next season. But second and most importantly, what it does is it breaks down that stover, but it breaks down the complex carbs that are in that stover, whether it be cellulose, lignin, or chitin, and it releases that carbon and other nutrients back in the soil.
Meltdown's become a standard part of what we do. I think it's important that if you're going to use Meltdown, you have a goal before you apply it. You need to know what you want to accomplish, right? A lot of times we get caught up applying a product to apply a product. And we really need to have a big emphasis on what is the goal of applying this product.
If we're focused on increasing our WEOC scores, as we talk about it, water extractable organic carbon, or if you're in a no-till environment or if you're in a heavy residue environment, trying to get that residue to break down to be more usable for next year, getting through your field cultivators, getting through your planting equipment, and increasing your emergence.
I would encourage anybody, if they're interested in biology and interested in BW Fusion, let Meltdown be that first step. Give it a try. See if it does what we say that it'll do, and test us on that.